there! Welcome to Marketplace Roundup, where we reflect on the vibrant offerings from the 10th Biennial Diaspora Conference held at the Montego Bay Convention Center in June. The atmosphere was busy, fun, and engaging as delegates experienced a range of government and private sector services. Over the course of this review, we'll dive into the various services showcased and explore how our diasporans can access these services abroad.
My name is Roberta Atkinson. Come walk with me.
First up, the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency. We stopped by the booth to see how delegates were being facilitated in processing their documents.
We're offering 3 services: passport, immigration, and citizenship services. Not all of the services are online. However, for those that are online, they can make it from the comfort of their own home. For those that are not online, they still have the option of going into one of our missions.
Hassle-free, right? Now to all things tax-related with Tax Administration Jamaica. TAJ was on board to ensure that diasporans can manage their tax affairs efficiently and conveniently from anywhere in the world.
We have been offering services such as processing TRN cards for the diaspora, also information on stamp duty and transfer tax or any general related tax information you want. Our thrust is to do our services online so that they don't necessarily have to come to Jamaica to engage with us. They can go onto our website, which is www.jamaicatax.gov.jm.
The National Land Agency NLA was also out in full swing, introducing its eLand Jamaica platform. This is a game changer for property management, offering a secure and efficient way to verify and purchase property titles online.
One of our premier services is eLand Jamaica. And what eLand Jamaica allows for you to do is for you to do your own property research from the comfort of your home. If you're not able to get the address of the property which you're interested in, you're able to search the map spatially and find the property. When you click on the property, the property will become highlighted. Once it is highlighted, if there is a volume and folio number, then you know the property is registered. If not, chances are it's unregistered. You will get the valuation number. From that valuation number, you're able to go to the TAJ's website and verify the taxes. If there is a volume and folio number, you're able to purchase the title. 500 Jamaican dollars.
The marketplace also had the Jamaica Customs Agency. The JCA introduced its contactless clearance service as a significant improvement in customs processes to reduce wait times and enhance convenience for importers.
What we are trying to do is highlight to our diaspora all the things and offerings. How do you obtain returning resident status? Because that is very important for our diaspora, especially those who have lived overseas for a while and are seeking to return home. We're also promoting our mobile application, which allow our customers to pay for their customs declaration, pay for their duties and taxes from anywhere in the world by a simple click, right? And we are promoting contactless clearance, right? And contactless clearance is a big thing for us. And what we're saying to our importers, guess what? The days where you have to come and stand up in long line at customs and watch customs officers dig into your barrel and all of that is kind of a thing of the past. And we are saying contactless clearance affords you that option. So what JDC affords our customers is a single window opportunity whereby you can interface with a number of government entities that you need to get your permit and licenses from on a single portal.
We've heard about the services being offered by different government entities. We'll now take a taste of other exhibitors.
Essence Curry Powder was launched in Canada in 2021, but the real story behind it is that the formula or the recipe was introduced to us by my great-grandmother. She was an indentured laborer from India who came to Jamaica, settled and made Jamaica her home. So we're talking about a generational recipe that is 4 generations, over 100 years old. And I started because I wanted to continue my family legacy. And I thought, I don't want this recipe of curry powder to just die after, this generation or my generation is gone. So the reason why I start this company is to carry on our family legacy. It's blended with love, and I truly mean that I put all my love into this product to make it so authentic and flavorful for your curry dishes. So that's my secret ingredients.
This generational recipe, now in its 4th generation, showcasing the rich cultural heritage and entrepreneurial spirit of the Jamaican diaspora. And legacy sponsors Grace Kennedy, JN Group and VM Group continue to invest in the conference, firmly believing that it serves as a platform for harnessing the power of unity and collective action to drive positive change across Jamaica. Grace Kennedy's commitment to fostering relationships with and within the diaspora highlights the mutual benefits of such engagements.
We get to interact with our consumers. Well, like Grace, we say whatever is good for Grace for Jamaica is good for Grace Kennedy, and that in extension to the diaspora. We have locations in several of these places. So it's just to ensure that we keep the relationship going and we keep ensuring that persons know what Grace Kennedy stands for.
Delegates also had the opportunity to engage with the new 1JN Passport app.
We have quite a number of our customers who are based overseas. We're also launching our 1JN Passport app where persons are able to open their accounts through that app. We're not yet onboarding persons within the diaspora through that app.
VM Group also shared how they support the dream of many diasporans to invest in property back home, fostering a stronger connection to Jamaica.
We are actually promoting owning a piece of the rock because we know as Jamaicans that one of the most important things to us is to come back home, or if you're already living here, to actually own your own home.
Our roundup wouldn't be complete without a chat with our diasporans. Come, Labrish.
The conference has been amazing. It's almost like we needed 2 other days, really. It was just so jam-packed with information. And I love that all the entities here in Jamaica, we feel very supported. You know, our nonprofit, our goal is to transform rural schools and communities in Jamaica. We're actually getting ready, hopefully, to start the end of this year to build our first rural community and resource center. And so there is just so much opportunity here to connect and to have those discussions and to learn from our peers from the diaspora, not just in the USA where we're from in Georgia, but from all the other countries.
This conference was so amazing. We met some outstanding individuals, and I really loved just seeing the support island-wide for all of those here and abroad who are reaching back to empower all of our young people and adults, and I'm just excited to be here.
The conference provided a platform for invaluable connections and discussions, furthering the goals of diasporans working to support their home country.
It's been an amazing experience. I'm coming from London, and it was just so amazing how I actually got here. It wasn't at first planned for the diaspora, but it so happened that it was right on target.
So I think this was a good opportunity for me just to, I guess, get connected to more people in the room and just learn about Jamaica. And I'm excited to learn how, at some point, I would like to open up my own business here.
Well, that's it for our Marketplace Roundup. I hope you enjoyed. My name is Jabertha Atkinson. Until next time, walk good.